Hi, my kindergarten friends. So today I am going to show you how you are going to turn in your shape character that you created through Google Drawing. So you've explored Google Drawing, you have created a character with at least 3 shapes. You've added a face to your character, maybe some eyes, ears, mouth, and you've created some detail in your background. So you've created something maybe like this was mine, and you wrote a couple sentences on the side about what you created. So just telling me why you chose what you chose. And again, if you weren't sure how to do that, you click this little button up here that has a little T in it. You drag that, and then you can type some of your reflection of why you created what you created. So once I have this done, I'm going to want to turn it into Padlet. So down here where it says share, we want to see your work, and you get to see your other classmates' work. So we're going to use this website called Padlet, which you're going to have to upload your drawing to. So I'm going to show you how to do that. The directions are here, but I wanted to show you through my screen so it's a little easier. So I have my character done. I'm going to click up here where it says share, big blue button, and down here it says copy link. So I'm just going to click that button, copy link, and then I'm going to click outside of it, and now I'm good. So now I have that done. Next, I'm going to come back to our assignment page, which is up on your canvas for exploration. And I'm going to click the link to go to our Padlet website to turn it in. Once I am here, I'm going to, oh, you might not be able to see that. There we go. So I have a little X button, plus button at the bottom. I'm going to click the plus button, and under title I'm going to write my name, so Mrs. Hammond, and then I'm going to hit write something, and you can either right click if your keyboard allows you to do that and hit paste, and then that will be good, or you can hit Command V, which is on the instructions if you need to find those keys on your keyboard. So those 2 buttons will also copy your link. Then I just click it, click away, and now it is posted. So once you have turned it in, depending on when you turn yours in, you can click on other people. So you see this is mine, you can click on mine, and then it should bring you to my drawing. So then you can click on other students' links and see what each other created. Okay, so again, we are sharing from our drawing, copying our link, going back to our assignment page, going to our Padlet, clicking the button down there. Oops, sorry, you can't see that again. Clicking that button and adding our post. Okay. All right, you guys can't wait to see what you've created and see your Google drawings.